Okay, so I bet you're a fan of Canva and you're here because you want to learn more about how you can use Canva on Instagram so that you can create better video content for your Instagram feed, your stories, and so on. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Canva for your Instagram content. For the best advice and tips on growing your audience, impact, and income online with your creative expertise, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll get my latest uploads every week. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is sign up for a Canva account. You can sign up on Canva using your Facebook or Google or just your email address. It's completely free to get started, and they have tons of templates that you get to use for free. So just go ahead and set up your free account, and I'm going to show you how to create content and videos using Canva. So once you're in your Canva account, the first thing you can do is start exploring templates. So here under templates, you can explore different templates under different niches and topics. Or you could just simply go to the search bar and type in video template. So if you type in video, you can go to templates right here, and there are different video templates for different platforms. So let's just start first with a mobile video. This will be good for Instagram, Reels, or TikTok. So under templates and mobile video, you've got multiple different that you can play with that are videos. So these are already set up, and you can change out the images, the videos, the text, and the colors. So I think a great place to start is with these templates right here under the search bar. So for the purpose of this particular video and tutorial, I'm simply going to use this template right here, and I'm going to use it to create a call to action to follow me on YouTube. So I'm going to click the template, and it's going to create a new design using the template that I've chosen. But this is going to be saved on my account so I can come back to it anytime I want to edit. Now, the nice thing about this particular template is it has 3 different designs available. So if I wanted to create a Reels, a TikTok, or an Instagram story, I've got 3 different templates that go together that are video templates, so that I could create all of them at once and create my content all at once. So the first thing that I just want to show you is how to discover different features that you can use for your videos. So if you want to add elements to your videos, you've got this entire elements section where you can add or search for different animations, stickers, things to lay on top of your video. You've got this text section where you can add text to the video. But really what I want to do is I want to set this up as a video to encourage my Instagram followers to also follow me on YouTube. So this particular template came with a song already. So this song, I'm going to delete the song because I don't want the song, but you can actually add music, add your own audio to the video. And so for this video, I'm going to just delete that. So comment below this video, let me know, do you enjoy music in videos when you're watching either YouTube or IGTV, or do you like no music at all? Next, what I'm going to do is change the text to say, follow me on YouTube. Okay, so now what I'll need to do is change the colors and the related images. So that's done simply by clicking on an element and clicking here in the corner and changing the color to something that fits your brand. I have my brand color palette here. You can also save your brand color palette on Canva. If you go back to the Canva home under brand kit, you can create your own brand kit on Canva with your brand logos, your brand colors, and your brand fonts. So I was able to, on this design, quickly change to my brand color because it's saved here. Also, if I have multiple colors I want to change it to, I can actually click on styles and just click on my color palette and shuffle through different versions of my color palette to see which one I like the best. So that's a really fast way to customize a design for your brand. So of course, this isn't a beauty related YouTube channel, so I will delete that graphic. And I will add a graphic here that is more appropriate. So I'll go to elements and I will type in YouTube and see what comes up. And if I want an animated sticker, I might type in animated. Another way to do that is to come over here to the filters and click on animated. Hit apply filters, and now only the animated things are going to come up in the search. So I'm going to actually add this one where it says subscribe. I'm going to change the size a little bit. Now if I want to add my own images, I can go over to uploads and upload images here. And I actually have some headshots that I've added. So I'm going to go to my folders and I'm going to add some headshots that I already have saved. So to show you one of the cool features that Instagram has for pro accounts, I'm going to add this headshot that has a background on it. And I'm going to show you how easily it is to go to effects and remove the background. So I'm going to remove the background of this image and it will remove everything in the background and just leave me in the foreground. So now I have an image and I'm going to send it to the back so that it's behind the sticker. Okay, so if I wanted to go ahead and add some music, I could go to this music section and add music. And so you can search through different audio if you want, or if you've recorded a voiceover, you can actually go to uploads and upload your audio or your video here. So it makes it really great for creating reels or IGTVs or Instagram stories and creating them in a professional setting like Canva. Now, if I have a video or an audio that I wanted to add to this or add to a new story, I can actually click the plus to add a new story. I'm going to remove the background here and I'm going to add this video. This video is 58 seconds, but I want to show you how easy it is to edit a video in Canva. So I click here to add it and it'll play the entire video if I want it to, but I actually can come up here to this trim and I can trim the video to whatever length I want. So if I only want a clip of this video, a small portion of the video, I can use the trim feature and click done, and it will only utilize a small portion of that video or audio. So to add text, you can just come to the text section, and I'm going to add some text here to say, tap the link in my bio. Tap the link in my bio to subscribe. So that's as easy as it is to add text, if I want to animate this video further, I can click up here to the animation icon and choose different animations. Some of these are included in the free account and some of them are for pro accounts, but there are different animation features. So if you don't have a video or audio, you can animate just text. And that's why I like Canva, is because it makes it easy to make videos out of your text without needing actual video content. So if I apply the breathe to this, you can see that it sort of breathes the images and the text into the screen. So again, you can use this for your Instagram stories, your Instagram reels. You can create multiple different slides and you can view all of your slides together, and you can create all of your stories and download them individually by clicking over here, download MP4, and just select the individual slide you want to download. If you want to download all of the pages as one long video, you just click all and hit done. And so I find that Canva makes it really easy to create videos on the desktop. They do have an app on your phone that you can download as well. It's not as user-friendly for video creation, but if you love working on your desktop and love batch creating content on your desktop, Canva is a machine for that. Okay, so now that you know more, I've put together a complete list of Instagram story prompts so that you can create content faster and have a list of ideas for different stories that you can create on the platform for various different things, whether you just want to create more engagement or sell. So you can get a link to that. It's completely free right below this video. Also, if you're finding it hard to get traction on Instagram and to get eyes on your content, you can join my free Facebook group where we help each other and support each other with our content on various different platforms, and we'd love to have you. You can get that link below this video as well.